blue or something. Ganito na mabakay din kay daytime naman.
For the night
For
time.
the night time, hindi ka ng like kung drama sa iyong eyes, like pinahanglan yung lashes na curl, yung naman yung black, and eyeshadow a little bit. That will do.
Okay, I hope that answered your question. Thank you very much. Do we have any more questions from our audience about makeup? No more? Sir, do you have a question? Okay, wala na. Okay, so tips na lang. Let's have tips from Mommy Ramil about everyday makeup and for those who want to be makeup artists in the future.
If we want to be a makeup artist, well, we have to learn. Everyday learning is a good experience. You have to make up ng good, you have to study foundation, the skin type, the colors, and everything. The shape of the face, contour to use, and how you have to know what you're doing, and you have to love it.
You have to love. That's with any other career.
Yeah.
You have to love it. Thank you so much, Mom. And I have a question for Ma'am Gina. Ma'am Gina, how do you feel being made over feeling?
Feel good.
Wow. Wow, syempre beautiful na dad, but more beautiful. Mag-date ka ka lang kami, Ma'am? Pwede. Pwede na maka-date. Thank you so much, Ma'am Gina. Ramil Salas, everyone. Let's give her a round of applause. Thank you very much. Wow. I had more learning than I thought I already know about makeup. Syempre, kailangan ka mapagwapa, di ba? May mga boys around. And Kiko's. Anyway, thank you once again, Ramil Salas. I'm sure everyone learned a lot like me to know the winning look and style to make your outfits and your face stand out and look totally in.